Prepare a body support of about 20 inches. Open the box and take out the body. Take out the parts inside the body. Unscrew the 4 screws of the top ring and remove it. After separation, insert the body from the bottom up and support it with the support. After support, reassemble the top ring and remove the support. Insert the lower ring in the same direction as the video. Very important. Put the rest of the parts in order. Take out the noise filter and control box. After passing through the wire and noise filter, connect the control box to the cradle. Fix the noise filter to the bottom with 4 screws. Connect the connector according to the shape. Fill the water trap with an appropriate amount of water. After filling with water, put on the grill plate. Turn on the power and run the fan. And choose the intensity of the fire. The coil lights up, indicating that normal operation has begun. After taking out the control box, remove the rear fuse using a screwdriver. Install the new fuse and reattach it. After replacing the fuse, put the control box back in. Requires 6.7-inch or longer screwdriver bit. Unscrew the 3 screws and take out the highlight tube. Disconnect the 2 heater connection wires. Disassemble the heat-resistant glass and fixing ring by unscrewing the 3 screws. Unscrew one side of the heater coil support and take out the coil. Put in a new heater coil and fix it again. Reassemble the heat-resistant glass and fixing ring. Reconnect the heater connection wire and fixing the highlight tube again. After replacing the heater coil, check normal operation. Safely enjoy your Nano well-being grill.